70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, while only 3% of it is fresh water. We all know about the water crisis the world is facing today, and the amount of fresh water is quickly running out. Even in those places where there is water, the water is mostly unclean. My name is Ibrahim and Adnan, and today I will be making a water purification system without the use of electricity and gas to provide clean drinking water for everyone. So the resources we will be needing for our experiment are medium and large containers, funnel, bottle, some cotton and some natural sand, gravel, charcoal, a drill, a hot glue gun, a tap, spoon, the bottle's cap, the pH paper and the caps of the containers. So the first step of the experiment was to drill some holes in the bottom of the bottle and on the cap. So with the help of my father, I have drilled these holes, you can see, and this. And so the next step of our experiment is to start putting in some cotton into the bottle. Now we'll start pressing it at the bottom. Now I will add a layer of charcoal in it. Now I am adding some sand to it. Now I will add a layer of gravel on top of it. I am adding some bigger rocks too, so that the bigger dust particles get moved. And in the end, a final layer of cotton. So this is how my filter will look from the inside. It has all the 5 layers I've added. The cotton, activated charcoal which removes the bacteria, foul smell through the process of adsorption. This is the natural sand layer which removes the fine impurities, and then the gravel and big rocks layer which removes like the big impurities like twigs and leaves, and then another layer of cotton. So now my water filter is ready. So this is my small container, and I will drill a hole in the bottom of the container the same size of the mouth of the bottle. With my father's help, I have drilled a hole on the bottom of the container, and now I will insert the bottle in it. This is my large container, and with my father's help, I will drill a hole the same size of the bottom of the bottle on the cap. And I will also drill a small hole on the side of the container so that I can insert the tap in it. As you can see, we have drilled a hole on the side of the container, and now I will try to insert the tap in it. You can see we have fixed the tap in the container. You can see from the inside also. And now we have also drilled a hole on the cap of the container. And now I will place the bottle inside. So my water cooler is ready. It has its own purification unit. And here I've got dirty water. I will test the pH of the dirty water using the pH paper I've got. So as you can see, the water is not clean at all, and the pH paper was first at 5, but now it has reached dark greenish color, So it is equal to 9 or 10. Now I'm going to pour the dirty water inside. I hope the containers are airtight so that the water does not leak. So I have poured the dirty water in the container. Now I will put the cap. And we will have to wait overnight for the water to come out from the tap in a more purified form. We have kept the water filter overnight, and as you can see, the dirty water has gone from here to here and the clean water is collected on the bottom container. Now let's try it. Now let's check its pH. So as you can see, the pH is well below 9 or 8 and it is not dark green. So the pH is 7 and 6 and it is very clean. Sweet taste of success. But still, I recommend you, after all this filtration, you should still boil it to make it as safe as you can.